Hello everyone, welcome to DHS Informatics. Here we have a IEEE topic, a scalable attribute-based access control scheme with flexible delegation cum sharing of access privileges for cloud storage. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and click on bell icon to get new notifications. In this project, we are using some technologies, Java and J2EE, that is Advanced Java Concepts, which includes JDBC, Servlet and JSP. Tomcat. Apache Tomcat, also known as Tomcat Server, proves to be a popular choice for web developers building and maintaining dynamic websites and applications based on the Java software platform. Eclipse. Eclipse is a software which is used to develop our web applications. MySQL. MySQL is a database which is used to store a data and perform CRUD operation. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of different services through the internet. These resources include tools and applications like data storage, servers, networking, and software. Cloud computing is a popular option for people and business for a number of reasons, including cost saving, increased productivity, speed and efficiency, performance, and security. Rather than keeping files on hard drive or local storage device, cloud-based storage makes it possible to save them to a remote database. As long as an electronic device has access to the web, it has to access the data and the software programs to run it. Aim. The main aim of this paper is to implement a modular access management scheme for cloud computing applications based on attributes. The scheme extends ABE to achieve scalability and fine-grained access control simultaneously in a hierarchical user structure. One successful expansion of our scheme is to expand it further to multi-authority encryption-based attributes in cloud environments. Nowadays, cloud servers have been the main option to store and exchange data with various users across the globe. The main obstacle for exchanging data using cloud services is to secure data from insecure cloud storage providers and unauthorized users. Attribute-based encryption (ABE) has developed as a useful cryptography method for safely exchanging data with valid users in a fine-grained fashion. Existing cloud computing systems do not have mutual access rights between user and allow cloud user to delegate their access privileges in a flexible manner. In order to concurrently achieve the notion of fine-grained access management, scalability, and provide common access right and flexibility for cloud users to allocate their access privileges, we suggest a modular, scalable attribute-based control scheme. Furthermore, we formally prove the security for our proposed scheme based on the security of the cipher-text policy attribute-based encryption. We also implement the algorithm to show its scalability and efficiency. Introduction. Cloud computing is a successful model that offers limitless computation and storage power to its customer from everywhere. Cloud computing services supports companies by offering flexible and sustainable infrastructure. In addition, it reduces the overall cost of ownership by shifting the company from capital investment to the operating expense model. While cloud storage provides its user tremendous flexibility by offering flexible and efficient services at the reduced rate, but due to security and policy concern, users are hesitant to migrate to the cloud. Enterprise outsources essential data to cloud providers and requires cloud service providers to store data, conduct critical business operation on the necessary data sets. In addition, CSP, that is Cloud Service Provider, can also include the necessary information to data requesters. Data is crucial assets for any business enterprises whose exposure to CSPs or unauthorized recipients can result in serious losses. As a result, data protection and confidentiality are among all possible security risks in the cloud. The most important and discussed problem that really restricts its acceptance by for the future cloud users. Problem statement. Security problems faced by cloud providers and security issues faced by their clients. In the most cases, the providers must ensure that their technology is secured and that the data and services of their client are secured, whereas the user must ensure that the company has taken adequate security steps to protect their information. Existing system. Existing cloud storage systems do not have mutual access rights between user and allow cloud users to delegate their access privileges in a full manner. Disadvantage of existing system. Data security protection cannot be directly users control. Therefore, verification of correct data storage in the cloud must be conducted without explicit knowledge of the whole data. All of existing remote data integrity auditing scheme cannot support data sharing with sensitive information hiding. Proposed system. Proposed system. The cloud computing system under consideration consists of the following 5 parties: trusted third party, central authority, domain authority, users, and cloud service providers. Users are further classified into data owners and data consumers. The information of the system under consideration is illustrated in Figure 1. CA is the top level authority, such as the head of the federated enterprise, while DA is the head of low level organization. All users in the enterprise are data owners or consumers. That is, any person in the enterprise can exchange data with others and collect data from others using cloud services. The TTP serves as trust center and is responsible for handling CA, which in turn manage DA's operations. DA handles end users in their respective domain. To exchange data files, users in the enterprise encrypts the file and store them on the cloud. When accessing them, user download the desired files from cloud and then try to decrypt them. In our system, all the entities in the enterprise except end users are responsible for managing the low level authority in the hierarchy. End user need not be online always. End user come online when they want to share or retrieve data. TTP, CSP, CA and DA are always online. This assumption is similar to various former researchers in cloud security. Advantages of proposed system. We discuss how to accomplish data sharing with sensitive information hidden in remote data integrity auditing and suggest a new model called identity-based shared data integrity auditing with sensitive information hidden for secure cloud storage. In such a system, sensitive information may be protected and other information may be released. To handle your project, visit www.dhsinformatics.com. If you have any doubts, feel free to call these numbers. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel. And click on bell icon to get new notification. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you.